Falmouth, Saco, Rockland, and Auburn are just some of the Maine communities where residents are parking their lawnmowers to allow flowers to bloom and provide food for bees and other pollinators.
However, the No Mow May campaign is happening just as the tick season is in full swing. Now experts are giving some important advice for homeowners. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee has the latest from Auburn.
A growing number of people all over Maine are giving their lawnmowers the month off. In Auburn, the first 100 residents who enrolled in No Mow May received a free yard sign, which ran out in a few days. The campaign promotes allowing grass, wildflowers, and other vegetation to grow freely, providing nectar and pollen that help bees thrive.
It's vitally important to get pollinators to have food from like early spring, summer, fall.
Public Works crews are also keeping the blades off local parks and public spaces to provide a refuge for pollinator species.
We have a few parks and stuff that we've picked and designated in areas where we can leave it. And in some places, it doesn't grow very fast anyways.
But there are concerns about letting your yard go shaggy at a time when tick activity is ramping up, and it could possibly foster more habitat and put homeowners at risk for tick-borne illness.
The whole idea of a No Mow May isn't something that should really affect deer ticks a whole lot.
Chuck Lebelchek is a vector ecologist at the Maine Health Institute for research. He studies different species of ticks, the diseases they carry, and leads researchers tracking ticks throughout the state. He says if your lawn doesn't have trees or shrubs, deer ticks are not going to thrive in a couple of inches of grass.
It's too open, too exposed, too windy, too sunny for them. They're going to still be in forested areas primarily.
Lebelchek says taller grass, though, could lead to more dog ticks, which are becoming more active. While a nuisance, especially for your pets, they have not been found to transmit diseases in Maine like other parts of the country. The CDC recommends clearing tall grasses and brush around homes, especially between lawns and wooded areas, to restrict ticks. Experts also suggest mowing less frequently in areas where your family and pets hang out, while leaving pollinator-friendly areas untouched. And most importantly, do a tick check every time you come in from outside, whether you mow your lawn or not. In Auburn, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.